Welcome back. Here is a quick quiz. I'm going to describe situations and you have to guess which expression fits best. Ready? Here we go. Imagine you are a student working on a group project. Which expression would you use to show developing and achieving better results? Do progress or make progress? That's right, make progress. If you brew coffee every morning, what expression would you use? Make coffee or do coffee? Yes, make coffee. Can you guess how many common expressions we use with the words make? Stay till the end of this video as we are going through 15 of the most common expressions with make, as well as examples and a final dialogue. Let's get started. Make dinner. Make lunch. I'm going to make dinner tonight. I'm thinking pasta. Make dinner or lunch is what you say when you prepare a meal. We don't say cook lunch, do dinner, or create dinner. It's always make when talking about food preparation. I'm really tired, but I still need to make dinner tonight. Make coffee. Before I start my day, I always make coffee. It's a must. So if you guessed make coffee in the quiz, you were right. You make coffee, not do it. Let me make some coffee before we start the meeting. Make money. She made a lot of money from her online business last year. When we talk about earning income through work or investment, we say make money. Who doesn't want to make more money? Make a difference. By recycling and reducing waste, we can all make a difference for the environment. When your actions have a positive impact, you make a difference, whether it is in someone's life or in a larger social context. Even a small donation can make a difference in the lives of those in need. Small acts of kindness can make a difference in someone's day. Make noise. Try not to make too much noise. The baby is sleeping. When we talk about creating any kind of sound, whether intentional or accidental, we say make noise. The kids are playing in the room, but they are not making any noise. Make a mistake. I made a mistake on that test. I'll have to review the material again. Make a mistake means to do something incorrectly or to make an error. Making a mistake is part of the learning process and it helps us improve and grow. Make a choice. You need to make a choice between going to the party or studying for your exam. Whenever you are deciding between options, you make a choice. It's a simple expression for picking between two or more options. We have to make a choice between spending our savings on a vacation or investing it for the future. Make an effort. I'm really going to make an effort to learn French this year. When you try hard to achieve something like learning a new skill, you make an effort. She made an effort to improve her grades by studying harder. Make a plan. Let's make a plan for our weekend trip. Anytime you organize or set up something in advance, you make a plan. They made a plan to meet up for dinner next week. Make progress. I am making progress on my project at work. This is an expression when you are improving or moving forward. He made progress in his piano lessons by practicing every day. Make a phone call. I need to make a phone call to confirm our reservation. When you dial someone up, you make a phone call. This expression focuses on the action of picking up the phone and dialing. I need to make a phone call before we leave. Make an agreement. The two companies made an agreement to work together on the new project. When two people agree on something, they make an agreement. This can happen in business or personal settings. They made an agreement to share the profits equally. Make friends. She made a lot of friends in college. When you meet new people and connect, you make friends. We don't say get friends or take friends. We make friends. It's easier to make friends when you are open and friendly. Make a decision. I can't make a decision about where to go on vacation. When you need to choose something important, you make a decision after considering your options. She made a decision to buy the purple dress. Make up one's mind. This is another expression for making a decision. When you make a decision, you make up your mind. When it comes to choosing a major, she can't make up her mind between art and science. Sarah finally made up her mind to accept the proposal. Let's wrap up these expressions of make in a dialogue. Listen carefully. You can pause and repeat if you need to.
Hey, Sarah. What are you up to tonight?
Not much, actually. I need to make dinner soon. What about you?
Same here. I was thinking of grabbing some quick food, but first, I need to make a phone call to confirm some plans for tomorrow.
Oh, speaking of plans, did you make a plan for your trip next week?
Yeah, I made a choice to visit the mountains instead of the beach. It wasn't easy to make up my mind, but I think it'll be a good change of pace.
Sounds fun. By the way, how's work going? Are you able to make progress on that big project?
It's going well. I'm really trying to make an effort to stay on top of things, but it's challenging.
That's understandable.
Yeah, I definitely made a mistake last week with a presentation. But I'm learning from it, so I guess that counts as progress, right?
Absolutely. Everyone makes mistakes now and then. At least you're not letting it hold you back. You're making a difference by learning from it.
Thanks, Sarah. That means a lot. How about you? Have you made any new friends at your new job?
Actually, yes. It took a bit of time, but I've started to make friends. We even agreed to make an agreement to have lunch together every Friday.
That's great.
Which expressions of make did you find the most interesting, and how would you use it in a sentence? Drop your examples in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. See you next time.